September 2014, Challenger Technologies notified the PDPC that a data breach had occurred in its ValueClub membership program. This incident affected the personal data of 165,306 ValueClub members. It included their names, membership expiry dates, and accumulated ValueClub points. Challenger is a retailer of IT and electronic products with a customer loyalty program called ValueClub. Challenger had engaged Xirlynx Innovations, a third-party vendor, to manage its email communications and ValueClub membership database. Investigations revealed that Xirlynx made a processing error while using Excel's Remove Duplicates function, which caused mismatched columns in the membership database. As a result, the wrong personal data was sent to ValueClub members in the monthly e-statements. Xirlynx admitted that it did not proofread sample e-statements before sending them out, which could have prevented the breach. Challenger also failed to oversee Xirlynx's workflow or ensure compliance with the PDPA. For breaching the protection obligation under Section 24 of the PDPA, the PDPC issued a warning to both Challenger and Xirlynx. No financial penalty was imposed as the leaked data was not sensitive, both parties were cooperative, and Challenger took proactive steps to address the breach, including terminating Xirlynx's services and hiring a data protection consultant. First, organizations must ensure that third-party vendors implement reasonable security arrangements to protect personal data. This includes proofreading and testing data before dissemination. Second, organizations are responsible for overseeing their vendors' workflows and ensuring compliance with the PDPA. Regular audits and monitoring can help prevent breaches. Third, when a breach occurs, taking proactive steps like terminating the vendor's services and hiring experts can mitigate enforcement actions. Fourth, under Section 4.3 of the PDPA, organizations are liable for breaches caused by their data intermediaries, making vendor management a critical responsibility. Lastly, appointing a data protection officer is mandatory under the PDPA. The DPO plays a critical role in ensuring compliance and advising stakeholders on data protection obligations.